When we finish all the matters, we will have to adjourn this one as well. Call the next case.
Okay, the case number 4, my lord. Case number NICN/Bauchi/05/2020. Rukaya Ibrahim Kiwa and 2 others versus Bauchi Investment Corporation.
Yes. Are the parties present?
Parties absent, my lord.
Presentation of counsel? Any representation of counsel?
Yes, my lord. This matter too is from my office.
Recording in progress.
Okay.
Yes, I appear a
Yes.
whole brief. May it please my lord, I am A.H. Umar,
Yes.
Deputy Director, Ministry of Justice, Bauchi State, holding the brief of UB Babayo. We are for the defendants, my lord.
Brief of whom? Holding the brief of.
UB Babayo, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
We are for the defendants, my lord.
Okay. No appearance for the claimant. Yes, Mr. Umar.
Yes, my lord, I appear out of respect for the court because I saw it on the post list and it's from my office. And I believe the counsel is appearing before the High Court, my lord. So I deem it fit to appear and take a date on his behalf, my lord.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is also a 2018 matter.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
20, my lord. It's a new case. 2020.
Sorry, he did not take away the record file in the other case that I adjourned, in which the counsel, Mr. Umar appeared. So I thought it was the same. It was a different file.
No, my lord, this one is a 2020 matter.
Are you sure?
That's what I have here on the
This is a 2019. It's a 2019
Okay.
case.
Okay, man.
It was filed. It was filed on the 17th of September 2019.
As the court pleases.
The defendants were served with the originating process on the 17th of September 2019. Well, they did not enter appearance.
Hello, my lord.
The defendant
My
did
lord.
not enter appearance. Mr. Umar.
Yes, my
They
lord.
didn't enter appearance.
The defendants, I'm not aware of that, my lord. I'm hearing it.
You are not handling the matter.
But I believe, my lord, this is one of the cases that falls within the category of cases that were for out-of-court settlement, my lord, I believe.
Counsel, the move for out-of-court settlement should not hinder the progress of a case. As defendants having been served with the originating processes, the first step to take is to enter appearance, file the necessary defense processes, and nothing will prevent the defendants from making move for out-of-court settlement. But you cannot just abandon the case in the docket of the court and pretend to be making out-of-court settlement while the case is there pending. That is not a proper thing.
As the court pleases.
Case progresses, parties can still explore settlement, even at the point of judgment. So this is not an excuse, please. I will adjourn this case for trial. You can continue with the settlement, but file the defense processes before the adjourn date.
As the court pleases.
This is a 2019 matter. The defendants were served with the originating process on the 17th of September 2019, but did not enter appearance. The case is hereby adjourned for trial to 18th of October 2021. The defendants shall file defense processes before then. Hearing notice shall be issued and served on the claimant.
As the court pleases. We're most grateful, my lord. We're grateful. We'll do the needful. Thank you.
Next.
The next case on the court list is number NICN/Bauchi/02/2018 between Maladang Asabe Adamu versus College of Islamic Studies, Bauchi, and two others.
Okay. Parties? Are the parties in court?
Parties absent, my lord.
Representation of counsel. Representation of counsel.
And it's like there is no representation in this matter.
Were they served?
Yes, my lord.
This case is hereby adjourned to October 17, 2021 for mention. Hearing notice shall be issued and served on the parties.
The next matter, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, call the
This
next
number
case.
NICN. Yes, my lord. Case number NICN/Bauchi/20/2017 between one Abdul Aziz Salami, Magaji Darazal, Mrs. Aisha Aminu Mohammed versus Teachers Service Commission, Bauchi State, Ministry of Education, Bauchi State, Attorney General, Bauchi State Government.
Okay. Where is the case file? Is it on the course list? Registrar.
My Lord.
Registrar. Is this
My Lord.
case on the course list?
Yes, my Lord.
Is this case on the course list for today? As
It
number
is, my
what?
Lord. Number 6.
Number
6. The 6th case on the course list, my Lord.
It's Abdul Aziz Salami. BE
Magaji Darazal.
2017.
17.
Do you have it? Yes. You called the second claimant. That was why we were misled.
Oh, but I did call the first claimant. I did call.
Yes. Yes.
Parties absent, my Lord.
Are the parties present?
Parties absent, my Lord.
Parties.
They are not in court, my Lord.
Representation. Also.
Yes, my Lord. This case too, my Lord, is from my office. I am A.H. Umar, my Lord, Deputy Director, Ministry of Justice, Bauchi State, holding the brief of M.M. Adamu, where for the defendants.
This case is hereby adjourned to 17th of October 2020. Hearing notice shall be served on the parties.
As the court pleases.
Next.
The next case, my Lord, this number NICN/Bauchi/01/2016 between Dr. Coleman Tizi Goji and 3 others versus Rector Professor Boy Umar and another.
Yes. Are the parties present? Parties?
Parties absent, my Lord.
Yes. Representation of counsel. Representation of counsel.
My Lord, it's like there's no representation. Yes, my Lord. No.
It's not my case. Let me watch the one.
This case is hereby adjourned to October 17, 2021 for mention. Hearing notice shall be issued and served on the parties.
As the court please. My Lord, the next case on the course list?
Hello, my lord.
Registrar.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, hello, my lord.
Yes.
17 October is Sunday, my lord.
Sunday, are you sure?
Very well, my lord.
I intended to give Monday.
It's Sunday, my lord. Being a friend of the
Okay.
court, I said, let me
Yes,
remind the
you are right. So all the cases adjourned for the 17th are actually meant to be on for the 18th. Yes,
18th,
Council,
okay.
so please take note of this.
18, my
Registrar,
lord.
Okay.
when issuing here
Yes, my lord.
notices, you should indicate that they are meant for the
18th.
18th, not
Adam.
17th. It's an oversight.
As court prisoner.
That's a prison, my lord.
As a
Thank
court
you.
prisoner.
Yes. Thank you, Council, for this
Thank you, my
observation.
lord. Thank you, my lord.
Yes. Next.
My lord, the next matter on the course list. This number NICN/Bauchi/08/2019. Shaibu Abdullahi Barkonu and 11 others as the governor of Bauchi State.
Borkunu.
Yes.
Shaibu Abdullahi.
Barkonu
Shaibu
and
Abdullahi
11
Borkunu
others.
and 11 others.
Going back to court to release the matter. We will tell the court that
Council, please mute your
Council, whoever is not in this
mute
matter
yourself.
should kindly mute himself, please. Are the parties present?
Parties absent, my lord.
Representation of council. Representation of council. Why is
No,
Mr.
Lord.
Umar? This is
OG Bichi is my name.
Huh?
My Lord, OG Bichi is my name. No, it's OG Bichi.
OG.
It's OG Bichi.
Why are you?
OG
I cannot
Bichi,
see
my
you.
Lord.
I can't see you. Mr.
My Lord,
Bichi, I cannot see you. I can only hear you.
my Lord, I mean,
Turn on your video
Infinix
so that I can
Expo.
see you. I cannot see you. I cannot record you without seeing you physically. Huh?
Okay, my Lord, I'm on. I'm on.
You
I'm
by
seeing.
barely hearing your voice. Where are you? I cannot see you.
From this end.
I cannot see you, Council. Let me see you, please. Make yourself available for you to be seen. It appears you have turned off your video. That is why we cannot see you. I can see every council here present, including the parties, except you. You must have turned off your video. That is why we can.
Hello, my Lord.
My lord, Beach is on now. My lord, Beach is on now, my lord.
Yes, my Lord, I can see, my Lord, I can see the court proceeding going on right from the beginning, my Lord. Hello, my lord. It's too bad, man. Hello, registrar.
Mr. Council.
Yes, my lord, I'm still on.
Yeah, we are waiting. My lord will soon be. Like my lord is not online.
I can see.
Yes, my lord. My lord. Let's just hold on, my lord. I think my lord is having technical issue. My lord is not online. Let's hold on. Don't disappear again. No, please don't disappear again.
I'm not going anywhere. I have not disappeared.
Okay. No problem. Thank you.
Hello, registrar. Hello.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Please let's wait patiently for my lord. I'm sure he's having some network challenges. He'll soon be joining us.
Hello?
Yes.
Why?
Yes, Registrar.
Hey, my lord.
Sorry, I had network. I had issues with the network.
Yes, I've apologized on your behalf already, my
Yes,
lord.
we can continue. A
Okay,
thank you, my
councillor
lord.
was
Bichi,
announcing
Bichi.
appearance, but we
Yes.
couldn't see him. Is he ready now?
He's
Yes,
visible
my
now, my lord. He's ready.
Yes. Council, where are you?
My lord, I'm on Infinix X4.
I cannot see you.
Wow.
Lord is there. Is very visible now, my lord.
Okay, I can see.
My lord, I'm the one nodding my head.
Yes, I can see.
Thank you, my lord.
Your name, please?
My lord,
OJ.
my name is OJ Bichi.
OJ Bichi.
Yes, my noble lord, I appear for the defendant's rest applicants.
Any appearance for the claimant? No appearance for the claimant.
My lord, it all appears there is no appearance for the
Yes, counsel.
My lord, we, on behalf of the defendant's applicants, we have filed a motion of notice.
Yes.
My lord, same was served on the
What is it for?
plaintiffs. My lord, it's for extension of your lordship terms to file our counter affidavit and memo of appearance in this matter, my lord.
Okay. When was it served on the?
My lord, that is what I
cannot
really. Is the registry will confirm that for us, my lord. I don't have that proof of service with me, my lord.
When did you file?
My lord, it was on 6th of July, a day after your lordship sat on the matter.
Yes.
But as to the date of service of same on the plaintiffs is what I cannot vouch for now, my lord.
That is what I want to confirm.
As the court pleases.
To confirm service and when was it served? If
as the court pleases.
It was actually served and they are out of time, I would allow you to move your application and I will rule on it.
As the court pleases.
Absence of proof of service, I don't think I can continue to take
as the court pleases.
Yes.
As the court pleases. As the court pleases.
Dole ne.
From the record, it was filed on the 6th of July. But there is no proof of service. Counsel. Counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Sebichi, there is no proof of service from the case file.
Wow. My lord, in view of that, my lord, issue of service, I will have to liaise again with the registry to effect service.
Okay. I think the application is just seeking to regularize the defendant's counter affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Nothing else. Okay. So in this
Nothing
circumstance,
else.
I will adjourn it for hearing. On the
As
hearing
support-
date, the defendant can move the application to regularize. Then we hear the originating summons.
As the court
As the
pleases, my lord, we have
court
no,
Yes.
as the court please, we have no objection to that, my lord. We are grateful.
Conservation agreement. Case is hereby adjourned to October 18th, 2021 for hearing. The defendant's application to regularize the counter affidavit and the hearing notice shall be served on the claimant with the proof
the
in the
court-
case
As the
file.
court pleases. As the court pleases.
My lord, we are very grateful.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my lord.
Next,
Okay, my lord. The next matter on the court list, my lord, case number NICN/JOS/33/2013 between Ibrahim M. Dimis and another versus Superco Industries Limited.
yes. Yes,
My lord, parties absent, please.
just fine. Just, yes. Yes. Parties absent.
Parties absent, my lord.
Representation of counsel. Were they served?
My lord, they were served, my lord.
This case is hereby adjourned to October 18, 2021 for mention. Hearing notice shall be issued and served on the parties.
As the court
As the court
pleases.
pleases.
Next.
The next matter, my lord. Case number NICN/02/2016.
Yes.
Between Dauda M. Aliyu and 7 others.
Yes.
Versus State Universal Basic
Okay.
Education Board and 2 others.
Okay. The parties present. Parties. The presentation of counsel. Rishra,
My lord,
I'm calling for the presentation of counsel, if any.
well, it's like there's no representation in this matter.
And they were served.
They were duly served, my lord.
The case is hereby adjourned to 18th of October 2021 for mention. Hearing notices shall be issued and served on the parties.
The court pleases. The next case, my lord. Case number NICN/George/05/2013. Samail Ahmed Gumo and others.
Okay.
Versus state government.
Okay. 05. Gumo. Samaila Gumo. Yes.
Yes.
Parties.
Parties are absent.
Parties absent.
Yes, my lord.
Appearances, please.
What is his name?
With utmost respect to your lordship,
Yes.
my lord, my name is DG Dashe.
DG, as in Director General.
As the court pleases.
Dashi, yes.
Yes. My lord, my appearance is for the applicant.
Okay.
Fidelity Bank.
Okay. Yes.
My lord, the learned SAN sent me a message that he will be unavailable. That is not within jurisdiction of the court, and the nature of the matter is such that parties need to be physically present in court.
Which kind of physical presence?
That was the message he sent to me.
When did you serve the council, the learned SAN?
We served him on Friday, Friday or Saturday, and he said because there is a contempt, no need to be physically present. That was what he said.
I'm sorry, my lord. My lord, I can see A.H. Umar. A.H. Umar was part of this matter. I don't know if he is withdrawing, if we could take his appearance, except he is not, because Bauchi state government is part of this matter.
Well, Registrar.
My lord. My lord.
You see the learned Silk sent message to you when?
On Saturday.
Yes.
Yes. The content of his message is that we were informed that the hearing will be after vacation. Please convey my thought to his lordship. I am far away from my station.
Who told him that hearing would be after vacation? Who told him?
And he said, furthermore, that the contempt proceedings, the matter cannot be properly dealt with through virtual, but by physical attendance of all parties, contemnor and the council. So this was the message he forwarded to him.
I'm sorry, my lord, if I may quickly respond.
Hold on.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. If I may quickly respond to that. My lord, the motion that is up for hearing today is the motion filed by applicant Fidelity Bank PLC.
Hold on. You have to please let me record the. So
okay, my lord.
I'm sorry, my lord.
The response will record you.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
Sorry, my lord. If I may come in at this stage, my lord.
Sorry, Mr. H.
Hold on.
What if I may come in the appearance?
Wala banda data.
Yes, Mr. Dashi.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the matter is slated today for the hearing of our motion dated the 22nd day of January, 2021.
Yes.
And filed on the 26th day of January. My lord, in order of priority, that motion was filed first and ought to be taken first.
22nd of January.
2021.
Let me. 2021.
That's the day it was dated, 22nd January 2021, and it was filed 26th January 2021.
Yes.
My lord, by order of priority, that motion is supposed to be taken first because it was filed first.
Yes.
The so-called motion for contempt proceedings was filed after this motion. And the motion for contempt proceedings is seeking to commit.
Don't go to that extent, please.
Okay, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, this motion, we are simply seeking to set aside the order.
You are not moving your application.
No, I'm not.
I don't want to hear that.
Yes, my lord.
The point is, yours was filed first.
Mine was filed first, my lord. We first filed a motion asking the court to set aside a particular order we feel we ought not be made to obey. And then the judgment creditors subsequently filed a motion for contempt proceedings while we were already before the court via a motion. So it is our motion that ought to be taken first, not the contempt proceedings. It is when our motion is heard and decided one way or the other, and should our motion not be meritorious, then a date for the hearing of the motion for contempt proceedings can now be given down, and the motion for contempt proceedings be set down for hearing.
Please, who is making noise, please? Counsel, can you kindly mute yourself if you are not in this case?
I'm sorry, my lord.
Anybody who is not in this case should kindly mute himself, please. Or whoever is in this case and noise is being made where he is should please move away.
I am sorry, my lord. I mistakenly thought there is a council appearing on behalf of Bauchi State.
Who is this, please?
My Lord, I am A.H. Umar. I want to announce appearance. I thought somebody is appearing on behalf of Bauchi State government.
Who is this, please? Who is making noise, please? And is not in this case.
Who is making noise, please? And is not in this case.
What are you connecting the night?
Registrar. Registrar.
My lord.
Please talk to Patai to mute everyone except council appearing in this case.
It's okay, my lord. Yes. Go take him, my lord.
Why name again?
Who is this, please? These persons making noise must be from Bauchi division. Registrar, find out who they are and
no, they are not from Bauchi. They are not from Bauchi, my lord. They are not from Bauchi.
Somebody was asking for Kamilu. Somebody was asking, it was Oga Ibrahim doing this. They must be our staff. Find out who they are and deal with them. Yes, Mr. Umar.
Yes, my lord. I thought somebody is appearing on behalf of Bauchi State government in this matter. That was why I did not appear, my lord. Sorry, my lord. We're actually in this matter, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, I am A.H. Umar, Deputy Director, Ministry of Justice.
Yes.
First respondent, my lord. Bauchi State government.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, as I was submitting, Digidashi.
Yes.
Our motion is slated for hearing today.
Council, you have made your point.
Yes, my lord. I want to go to the rest. I want to go to this position from the Leonard SAN, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. My lord, since the last day this case came up, what my lord simply stated was that a date will be communicated to parties when the Leonard Silk stated that he was having network problems at the last virtual hearing, my lord. To the best of our knowledge, my lord.
Yes. Council, please come again.
I said, since the last virtual hearing, when the Leonard Silk complained of network connections.
Yes.
The matter was stood down, and later we were informed by the registry that the directive of my lord is that a new date will be given to us.
Yes.
Since then, we did not receive any date except this date on our own part. This date today, we received notice to that effect last week, Friday. So, just as my lord...
Hold on. Yes.
So, my lord, the registry having communicated today's date to all parties, we don't know who the learner sick is referring to as they said after vacation. Then finally, my lord.
Hold on, I'm taking it down.
Yes, my lord. We don't know who the learner sick is referring to as they said after vacation.
Yes.
And finally, my lord, apart from the Leonard Silk himself, if my lord looks at all the processes filed from the office of the Leonard Silk, there are 5 other lawyers. There are 5 other lawyers whose names appear on the court process. The court processes are even franked or signed by DJ Gusen. The name DJ Gusen is ticked.
DJ
Gusen.
Gusen.
Yes, my lord. It was DJ Gusen who signed all the court processes filed.
Okay.
So, my lord, there is no letter applying for adjournment and explaining why DJ Gusen and his other junior colleagues in the office of the Leonard Silk, why they are not in court in this virtual sitting. There is no letter of adjournment or explanation why DJ Gusen, who signed these processes, who prepared and signed these processes, or any of his colleagues is not before the court.
Yes.
Our position is, having clarified from the registry that the office of the Leonard Silk was duly served, our motion is ripe for hearing and ought to be heard today. And we urge the court to order the hearing of our motion. We've waited long for it and it's long overdue. That's a humble position, my lord.
Yes. Mr. Umar.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. We have not, though we have not filed any counter to their application.
Were you served?
We are served, my lord.
With the application?
Yes, we are served.
Were you also served with the hearing notice of today's sitting?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Okay.
And we aligned ourselves with the submission of the learned counsel
of
the applicant.
The application and the hearing notice of this sitting. We align ourselves to the mission, learned counsel. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Registrar. Registrar. Mr. Dashi. Mr. Dashi. It's like the council are not with us and the registrar is also not with us.
No, my lord, I'm here. I'm here. Sorry,
Yeah,
I was
please,
trying to unmute
I
myself.
want to, when were you served with the hearing notice of today's sitting?
My lord, the hearing notice of today's sitting came to me on Friday.
Okay.
On Friday, that last week Friday, I'm trying to pick up the date. Friday last week was 23rd.
Okay. Registrar.
My lord.
When did you serve the Leonard Silk with the hearing notice?
We served him on Friday.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. The 23rd of July.
Okay. Two. Why the record file, please? Mr. Dashe?
Yes, my lord.
When, the file is bulky, when did the Lana Silk file the motion for contempt proceedings?
The motion for contempt proceedings was filed on the 2nd day of February 2021. I'm holding it right here.
2nd day of February.
Yes, my lord. If my lord looks at my screen closely, my lord will see the date, 2nd February 2021. That's the date of filing. 2nd February 2021.
Yes, I can see it.
Yes, my lord.
When did you file?
My motion was filed on the 26th January 2020.
10 February. 2021.
26th January. I filed my motion. 26th January.
No. Okay.
My motion was filed 26th January 2021. His motion came in February.
It was dated 27. Yours is dated what date?
Mine is dated 22nd January, but filed
and filed when?
26th January.
Wait this, please.
Yola Division, please mute yourself.
Yes. Is everybody hearing me?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. This case came up for the hearing of pending applications on the 5th of July 2021, at which the Learned Silk, in the person of GM Kuti, announced appearance for the judgment creditors applicants, while Mr. DG Dashi announced appearance for the discharged Ganishi/applicant. The matter could not, however, go on because the Learned Silk was having network challenges at the virtual sitting. The case was accordingly stood down to 1:15 p.m. on that date. The court, after resuming at 1:15 p.m., adjourn the matter to July 30th, 2021 for the hearing of the pending applications. However, on the 10th day of July 2021, a circular was issued by the Honorable President of the National Industrial Court of Nigeria for the court's annual vacation, which will commence on the 30th of July 2021. The court therefore had to issue another date for the hearing of the pending applications before proceeding on annual vacation. The case was accordingly fixed for today for the hearing of the pending applications. It therefore amazes me where the learned Silk got an information that to the effect that the matter will be heard after vacation. By the rules of this court, if counsel cannot appear in a matter, the counsel is required to send a letter not later than 3 working days before the date fixed for the hearing of the cause or matter, with convincing reasons. In the instant case, the learned Silk was served on the 23rd of July 2021 to the effect that this matter will be heard virtually today. For all intent and purposes, the learned Silk cannot feign ignorance of today's sitting. The learned Silk can also not claim that this matter is going to be heard after vacation. This matter must therefore proceed and be heard today. And
As the court pleases.
The next issue is which among the 2 applications will be taken first. The learned Silk application was filed on the 22nd day, on the 2nd day of February 2021, but it was dated the 27th of January 2021. While the Garnish's application is dated the 22nd of January 2021, but filed on the 26th of January 2021. It is therefore clear that the Garnish's application being passed in time by the order of filing shall take precedence over the learned Silk's application. This being the case, I order that the Garnish's application be taken first.
As the court pleases.
As the court pleases.
You can move the application.
Thank you very much, my lord. We are most grateful. Before my lord is a motion on notice.
Yes.
The motion is dated the 22nd day of January 2021.
Yes.
And filed on the 26th day of January 2021.
Yes.
My lord, the motion is brought under the inherent jurisdiction of this honorable court.
Yes.
The motion prays for the following reliefs.
Yes.
1, an order setting aside the ex parte order of the national industry of this honorable court made an order setting aside the ex parte order of this honorable court made on the 14th day of January 2021.
Yes.
In this already finished Garnishi proceedings. In this already finished Garnishi proceedings.
Yes.
Of which the applicant has since been discharged.
Yes.
The order which directed the applicant the order which directed the applicant
the order
which directed the applicant
Yes.
To pay a cumulative
Yes.
outstanding judgment debt
Yes.
of 84,200,000. Cumulative
84
outstanding
million.
judgment debt 84,200,000.
Yes.
From accounts numbers
Yes.
51
Yes.
8004
Yes.
3815
Yes.
and 50
Yes.
3002
Yes.
5116
Okay.
into the judgment creditors solicitors account. Into the judgment creditors solicitors account number 40
Yes.
1124
Yes.
4768. Domiciled with Fidelity Bank PLC.
Yes.
And now the second prayer is the omnibus prayer, and for such further order or orders as this honorable court may deem fit to make. But this application is supported by an affidavit of 8 paragraphs.
Yes, continue.
Yes, my lord. This application is supported by an affidavit of 8 paragraphs.
Yes.
And 2 exhibits marked exhibits A and B.
Yes.
My lord, exhibit A is the order sought to be set aside of 14 January 2021. My lord, exhibit B is the judgment of the Court of Appeal, Just Division, which discharged the applicant from the garnishee proceedings. The basis of which this application has been filed. Exhibit B is the judgment of the Court of Appeal, Just Division.
Yes.
My lord, exhibit B, the judgment of the Court of Appeal, Just Division was delivered on the 11th March 2019.
Okay.
My lord, there is a written address.
Hold on.
Okay. Judgment Court of Appeal. Yes, there is a written address, my lord.
Yes.
Which we adopt as our argument.
Yes.
And we urge your lordship to grant the reliefs as sought.
Yes.
My lord, by way of adumbration, just one line, my lord. Page 19 of Exhibit B, the judgment of the Court of Appeal. If I may briefly read it, it reads, in conclusion, this court finds merit in the appeal and is hereby allowed. The orders made against the appellant in the interlocutory ruling of the National Industrial Court sitting in Jos Plateau State delivered by Honorable Justice R.H. Gwandu in suit number NICN/Jos/5/2013 on the 2nd June 2016 are hereby set aside. The appellant is discharged as fourth garnishee in these garnishee proceedings before the lower court. The parties shall bear their cost. My lord, with this decision of the Court of Appeal, it is our contention, as canvassed in our written address, that the National Industrial Court Just Division had no jurisdiction to have sat in these same garnishee proceedings in 2021 January to make the orders contained in Exhibit A, directing the applicant to pay another 84 million having been discharged. We urge your lordship to grant our prayers as sought on the face of the motion paper. We are most obliged, my lord. The motion is not being there is nobody from the office of the learned silk
Don't
to
mind.
adopt. Yes, my
It will
lord.
be deemed adopted.
As the court pleases.
It is deemed adopted.
As the court
He has the
pleases.
hearing notice of today's sitting.
As
He
the
has
court pleases.
responded to the application. So
As the
all
court
the
pleases.
processes emanating from his chambers will be deemed adopted.
As the court pleases. As the court pleases. They file the counter affidavit.
Yes, Leonard Silk, Leonard Council, Registrar.
Yes, my lord.
See with
My
us?
lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
This is my ruling.
The court pleases.
As the court pleases.
I have painstakingly examined the discharged garnishes application and the submissions made by the Learned Council on its behalf. I also have carefully considered the judgment creditor's response / reactions in its counter affidavit and the written address in support dated the 27th of January 2021, but filed on the 2nd of February 2021, which I deemed adopted in the absence of the Learned Silk, who was served with the hearing notice of today's sitting. The fulcrum of the garnishes application is that its appeal against the ruling of the court of this court delivered this court sitting in Jos, delivered by my learned brother Gwandu J on the 2nd of June 2016, having been allowed by the Court of Appeal in its judgment delivered on the 11th of March 2019, the order emanating from the said ruling, i.e. Exhibit A, attached to this application is of no moment and be set aside. Given that the Court of Appeal, our Supreme Court at the NICN over civil appeals, have allowed the appeal, the proceedings giving rise to the order appealed against, and the, okay, let me come again. Given that the Court of Appeal has allowed the appeal against the proceedings giving rise to the order appealed against, given rise to this, the order seeking to be set aside, the said order has become of no effect. The effect will that, the effect of that order, okay, the order has become of no effect whatsoever. It followed therefore from the Court of Appeal's decision that the judgment creditors cannot rely on the said order to even bring any application before this court. The said ruling, having been set aside by the Court of Appeal, has now become ineffectual and nugatory. It is as if it has not been given at all. See the case of Husseini and another against INEC and others. In law, proceedings that have been set aside are regarded as discarded, abandoned, and or annulled. See the case of Oga and others versus EB and others. It follows, therefore, that the order emanating from the said ruling of my learned brother, over which the Court of Appeal decided and set aside, has become a nullity and of no moment. But for the garnishes application, there is even no need to set it aside. But for the sake of convenience, the said order is hereby set aside.
As the court pleases.
Hereby granted.
As the court
pleases.
My lord, we are very grateful for the ruling of my lord.
Thank you.
We are most grateful, my lord, for the ruling just delivered.
Yes, next. Now we are switching to Yola, Registrar.
Yes, my lord.
Yes,
my lord. That's all for Bauchi. Yes, my lord.
Okay, we are now proceeding with Yola.
Yes, my lord.
The DR Yola is with us.
Yes,
my lord, I'm sorry. There is a matter from Bauchi division for which we have applied that the matter is still down. So last in the court list.
Okay, Registrar.
Yes, that's the third matter on the court list.
You can call the matter now.
Okay, case number NICN/Bauchi/20/2018 between AYM Shafa versus Salisu Yusuf.
Yes.
My lord.
Parties.
Parties absent, my lord.
Presentation of counsel.
With greatest humility to my Lord, S.I. Abubakar. Humbly announce S.I. initials, my Lord.
Yes.
Humbly announce appearance for the claimant.
Yes.
My Lord, there will not be an appearance for the defendant because of lack of service.
Because of
lack of service of the originating process,
okay.
my Lord. Yes, my Lord.
Okay.
My Lord, at the last agenda date, we expressed predicaments of our inability to serve the defendant through the person of the court.
Okay.
My Lord, in the interval between the last agenda date and today, we were able to communicate with Sadiu Ahmed, through whom the court ordered us to effect service of. And he assured us that he has recuperated from his ill health and will be in Bauchi after Salah.
Okay.
And my Lord, he has not returned. We were actually expecting him this week.
Okay.
So my Lord, we will be craving the indulgence of the court to grant us additional adjournment, no matter how short.
Okay.
But this he will be back in Bauchi this week, so that we will be able to effect service.
Okay.
Yes, my Lord, that is a humble. What you can
Okay.
My Lord.
Given the circumstances, this case is hereby adjourned to 18th of October 2021 for mention.
My Lord, we are grateful for it.
Okay. Yes.
Hello, sorry, before you go to Yola, I just want to observe something. I noticed that this court proceedings is being recorded. I can see it is showing on the top left corner.
Yes.
I don't know if the court officials are aware of it.
They are aware.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you.
Yes.
I'll take my leave. Thank you, my Lord.
Leave granted. Thank you.
Thank you.
But you are not properly dressed now, and you are addressing court. At least you should be properly dressed, even for the sake of the recording that is being made. They are recording it live, and they are also sharing it live. We are now going to Yola virtually. Yes.
As a please.
Is the registrar, dear Yola, with us? Dear Yola, are you with us?
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, we can proceed.
My Lord, I think it's better I continue because I have the cost list so that
you can continue. You can continue.
Yes, let me continue. My Lord.
Yes.
Case number NICN/Yola/20/2020 between Honorable Amos Daniel and 4 others versus Executive Chairman Lamurde and another.
Lamurde. Ms. Daniel. Yes.
Please, my Lord.
Hello, I've called the case.
Yes, it is. It is. Yes.
Please, my Lord. FJ for the claimant.
Your name, please. Parties absent.
FJ.
Parties absent.
Okay, FJ.
Akau is spelled AKAU, my Lord.
Yes.
My humble appearance for the claimant.
Okay. Yes.
Respectively, my Lord, Fati Wetapo is my name.
What? I'm not hearing you well.
Appear for the Party Watafwa.
Party.
Watafwa, my lord. Watafwa is spelled W-A-T-A-F-U-A. I appear for the defendant.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the matter comes up for mention. Subject to the convenience of this court, we are ready.
Matter for mention. It is being mentioned. Any progress between the last adjourned date and now? At the last adjourned date, the parties and their counsel were not in court. We had to adjourn the matter. You have to inform the court of any progress made, either whether the defendant have filed defense or parties are making move or settlement out of court or any other thing. Yes? 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 Let's plug this one. Counsel. Registrar. Registrar.
My lord.
I think they have been not, the council from Yola are having network challenges.
Network issues.
Mm.
Let me try calling them.
Yeah, them anymore.
Let me try calling you now.
Okay. Are you back, council?
Yola, are you back? Are you on? Yola.
Hello, my lord. I think it is those that are within those that are in the court that you cannot hear them.
Yeah.
Yes, my lord. Those in the courtroom. But some of us in Yola can hear you, my lord.
I know. They are all in the courtroom. Yes, counsel. Are you with us?
Yes, we are with you, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I have an application before.
Huh?
Subject.
What did you say?
I have an application.
I cannot see you. Let me see you, please. You turn off your video.
Try to move closer to the system so that your voice can be more audible, please.
You are sitting far from a bit far from the system that you are using. Yes. Yes, I can now see you.
Audible now.
Thank you very much, my lord. My
Yes.
lord, I have an application for you.
Yes.
Subject to your convenience. I'm ready.
Yes. Who are you, please? Is it Aku?
Yes, my lord, I'm Fati Watafwa, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
What is the application for?
My lord, my application is for extension of time, my lord.
When did you file it?
Conditional memorandum of appearance.
Yes.
Defendant joint statement of defense.
Yes.
Written statement. Yes, my lord.
When did you file?
And written statement of. I filed it on the 5th of July, 2021, my lord.
Okay.
On the 5th of
were you
July.
served?
Yes, my lord.
Did you serve the defendant, the claimant?
Yes,
Counsel, were you served?
my lord. Yes, she has been served. I was served, my lord.
Yes. Do you object?
We are not opposing, no, we are not opposing the application, my lord.
We may move in terms. Move in terms of the application.
My lord, I move my lord, I move my application dated the 5th day of July 2021 in terms of the motion paper, my lord, and I urge
File
my
when?
lords
And
to
file
grant
when?
it. Thank you.
When did you file?
It was filed on the 5th day of July 2021, my lord.
Okay.
5th day of July.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. The defendant's application is granted as prayed.
Please.
Now, what remains is the trial date, I believe. Akau, are you filing reply?
My lord, we may need time to file consequential reply.
Okay. I will adjourn the matter for trial, so you can file the reply before then.
As the court pleases.
Participants who agree. Participants who agree. So there are 15 people.
Tafwa, are you conceding?
Yes, my lord, I'm conceding.
Give me my diary.
Kamar Evaris to self it.
With the consent of learned counsel from both sides, this case is hereby adjourned to 9th of November 2021 for trial.
As the court pleases.
Next.
My lord, I still have another case before you, my lord. It
Next.
may be called out of.
Next.
My lord. Okay, the next matter, my lord. Case number NICS/U/03/2021 between Alhaji Abubakar Bobo and Umar Adamu Lemi.
Yes. Parties? Parties absent? Representation of counsel. Representation of counsel.
No, it's like there's no representation in this matter.
Okay.
No representation.
Okay. In the absence of appearances from either side, this case is hereby adjourned to 18th of October 2021 for mention. Hearing notice shall be issued and served on the parties.
As the court pleases.
Next.
Okay, the next matter is case number NICN/ULA/2021 between Reverend Jolie T. Nyame and 3 others.
Yes.
And government of Taraba State and 3 others.
Yes. Yes. Parties.
Parties absent, my lord.
Representation of council. Representation of council. Were they actually served?
My lord, they were duly served, my lord.
The case is hereby adjourned to October 18th, 2021 for mention. Hearing notice shall be issued and served.
As the court pleases. 15th October.
What? Yes, call the next case.
Okay, the next case, my lord. Case number NICN/ULA/08/2018. Comfort Akafa and Commissioner for Taraba State Government. Commissioner for Taraba State Community and Social Development.
Commissioner for Finance. Commissioner for Finance, Taraba State, then Taraba State Government.
Yes. Commissioner
Yes. Parties. Parties absent?
Parties absent, my lord.
Legal representation.
With profound humility, my lord, I am SG Udo.
Yes.
Announcing appearance for the claimant.
Where are you? Where are you?
With profound humility, my lord, I am SG Udo. I'm here, my lord.
SG
Udo UDOH.
Okay.
Yes, UDOH. Humbly
Yes.
announcing appearance for the claimant.
Okay. Yes. No appearance for the defendant.
My lord, the matter. Yes, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
The matter was last adjourned to today for mention.
Yes. Yes.
The suit was originally commenced by complaint filed the 23rd 10, 2018.
23rd.
Upon our office being briefed, we filed an amended complaint filed on 23rd 10, 2018.
Yes. Yes. Did you serve the defendant? Was the defendant served with the amended copy? Yola division are having network issues. The council in the division are having network issues. It's wiki. Yes, Council.
My lord, it's like the council is having challenges.
Yes. You can see the amended complaint, but there is no amended defense. Consequential amendment to defense. I cannot see anyone. Council. Council.
I know it's like we've lost him.
Yeah. Yes. We cannot be waiting for them.
Maybe
And they are not
we
with
stand
us.
up pending. Pending when we round up the city.
The matter is hereby stood down. Call the next case, please.
Okay, the next case, my lord. Case number NICN/ULA/03/2020 between Labaran Akum and Management Board of Federal Medical Center Jalingo and 4 others.
Okay. Parties?
It's absent.
Representation of council. Representation of council.
With respect to this honorable court, Yahya Mohammed,
Okay.
Zonal Legal Advisor, Federal Minister of Justice, Yola Zonal Office.
Yes.
With me is my learned friend, L.M. Arziki. We are for the defendants.
With LM.
LM, initial. LM.
Arziki. Yes.
We are for the defendants, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the
No
matter
appearance.
no appearance for the applicant, for the claimant, my lord.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Muhammad.
Yes, my lord, the matter slated today for hearing, and the counsel to the claimant filed a motion filed on the 3rd day of March 2021 for amendment.
Yes.
My lords, it is our humble opinion that the motion is incompetent.
Wait until he appears to move the motion. Huh?
The
in your response. Huh?
The counsel of the claimant is not before the court, my lord.
Is not present, yes.
Yes, my lord. In the second one, my lord, in the interest of justice,
yes,
my lord, we humbly apply for the matter to be adjourned.
I don't know whether the council is aware of today's date.
At the court pleases.
Because initially the case was fixed for the 28th of July.
Yes, my lord, it was.
Drag the case back owing to the exigencies.
My lord, I'm back.
No, you are not
My
in
lord,
this
I'm
matter.
back.
Wait, Mr. Udu, until we finish with this matter. We are on another case. Okay. Wait, please. Yes.
Okay, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Muhammad.
Okay, my lord.
Yes, my lord, we were served with the hearing notice on Saturday around 9 minutes to 9 p.m., yes, my lord. I don't know whether the counsel to the claimant
it's okay. The case is hereby adjourned to.
No, we are very sorry, my lord. We are very sorry. If it is 18, my lord, 18 is not convenient for us, my lord.
It's going to be virtual. Are you going to be in court?
For 18, sorry. My Lord, I have about 3 matters before Federal High Court Yola, and they are criminal case for hearing. If my Lord can accommodate us to whether 20th, my Lord.
Which date is that?
20th, Wednesday, 20th October, or a date after that.
Okay.
Date after that, my lords. Maybe, my lord, or 26th October. Either
for the 20th. This
At the
case is
conference.
hereby adjourned to 20th of October 2021 for hearing of the claimant's application. Hearing
At the
notice
conference.
shall be served on the claim.
At the conclusion, my lord. We are very grateful.
Okay. Now you can now call the case.
My lord.
My lord,
Yes.
will I call the Comfort Akafat's case again?
Yes, call it.
Okay, case number NICN/YOLAS/08/2018 between Comfort Akafa and 1, Commissioner for Finance, Taraba State, 2, Taraba State Government.
Yes.
My lord, can I proceed from where I stopped?
As before. Yes, you can proceed.
Yes, my lord.
Counsel, please, what is the stage of the case?
Yes.
The stage
My
at
lord,
the case is, I looked into the case, so the consequential the amended statement, amended general form of complaint with the amended statement of facts and all other amended originating processes. Did you serve the defendant?
Yes, all the defendants have been served, my lord.
Okay.
All the defendants have been served with the amended originating process.
When? Yes?
My lord, since July 2019.
About a year ago.
Yes, my lord, and they
Okay.
have not filed any response to that.
This is a 2018 matter. Yes?
Yes, my lord.
Yes?
In the circumstance, we humbly apply that the matter be slated down for hearing.
Okay. Which date did I adjourn matters for Yola? Okay. This is Yola. Huh? This is Yola. In October. Okay, for Yola. it for Yola?
Right, can go to me. Oh, okay.
Attention, council. Attention, council. Please mute yourself and remember.
Yana cikin ofisinsa. Shi yake
Mohammed. Umar Mohammed, you are making noise, please. You are sitting from your comfort zone and you are making noise. Remember that you are in court.
I'm sorry, my lord. I'm very sorry, sir. I'm very sorry.
June to 19th of October 2021 for trial. Hearing notices shall be issued and served on all the defendants with proof in the case file.
Court places. We are most grateful, my lord.
As soon as we finish, to record the dates here. Yes. Yes.
My lord, the next case. My lord, the next case, my lord. NICN/GMB/001/28 between Adamu Adamu and Federal University Kashiri.
Okay. Parties. Representation of council.
May it please your lord.
Yes.
Umar Mohammed is my name.
Yes.
Appearing for the applicant claimants.
Yes.
With profound respect and humility,
yes.
Zainab Waizon for the defendant, my lord.
Counsel.
Yes, sir, my lord.
The court is only seeing your face. Better. You know, when counsel are hiding themselves, it may tend to create an impression that they are not properly dressed. We are all in court sitting. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Zainab who?
Zainab Waizon.
Why?
Zwan.
Okay. Yes.
Lord, the matter is for motion on notice.
Huh?
The matter is for motion on notice, sir.
Which motion? Which application is that?
Application to amend a statement of fact as directed by my lord.
Okay.
We have earlier on filed a motion to amend dated 15 March 2021.
Okay.
And my lord, some observations in the court. However, we have to file another one.
Okay. Yes, it's Zainab.
Yes, my lord.
Were you served?
Yes, we are served.
Okay. Are you opposing?
We are not opposing, my lord.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Mohammed, you can proceed. I'm moving towns.
Yes, my lord. Before then, my lord, may we humbly apply to withdraw the motion dated 15th March 2021.
Okay.
Which we have filed another one dated 90 years. May we apply to withdraw that one? And send this struck up.
When did you file it? When
It
did
was
you
filed on
file
the
that?
16th. It was dated 15th March 2021 and filed 16th March 2021.
Mr. Zainab,
Yes, my lord.
I record that you are conceding.
Yes.
Okay.
So, my lord, we will now proceed with the.
Hold on. The claimant's application dated 15th of March 2021 but filed on the 16th of March 2021 is hereby struck out at the instance of the claimant. Yes.
As the court pleases. We are grateful, sir. Now, my lord, the motion we sought to move is dated 29th June 2021.
Filed when? Filed when?
It was filed on 30th June 2021. Filed on the 30th June 2021.
The application is granted as prayed.
As the court pleases. Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, we have an application to make.
Which application?
Regarding the, I'm sorry, we want to file a constitutional amendment.
That is automatic.
Yes, so we are applying that it should run application period. My lord.
Huh?
We like to apply that it should start after the vacation period.
You can proceed and file. You have time to file, and before it ends, the court will. But definitely, we cannot consider same until after vacation.
Yes, but we this is
I will adjourn it for mention. When on the adjourn date, issues are properly joined, then we
have to
adjourn
file
for
having
trial.
granted this application. Please, sir. Please, my lord.
What this is?
This case is hereby adjourned to 18th of March 18th of October 2021 for mention.
As the court pleases.
The court pleases. We are most grateful.
We are very grateful, sir.
Yes.
My lord, the last matter on the court list, my lord.
Yes.
Case number NICN/Bauchi/001/2021. Professor Gaji Abubakar Badawi and ATBU.
Okay.
Last please.
Yes. Parties? Parties absent. Representation of council. Representation of council.
With respect, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
JJ Bukar.
Yes. Yes.
I appear for all the defendants, sir.
Okay. No appearance for the claimant. Yes.
Yes, sir. The matter is slated today for adoption of our terms of settlement.
Okay.
Yes, the terms of settlement was prepared. We prepared the terms of settlement and we sent it to the council, to the claimant.
Yes.
Since 12th day of July.
Yes. Yes.
But he sent it to us very late last week, Friday, that's 24th.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So we, after they have signed the terms of settlement, we now send it to our clients so that they will sign same, sir.
Okay. Council, just apply
Yes,
for
sir.
a date. Just
Yes, sir.
apply
We
for
are now applying. Yes, sir. Applying for a date to come back for adoption, sir. Adoption of terms of settlement.
This case is hereby adjourned to 18th of October 2021 for adoption.
As the court pleases.
Thank you.
We are grateful, sir.
Registrar? Registrar.
We have a case, we have been served with a hearing notice of the case, but it's not on the court list.
See this.
In Yola division, my lord.
Which suit
This
number?
is Party Water for my lord.
I know.
Suit number NICN YL50, my lord.
YL15. YL15.
2020.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Another date, council.
My lord.
We have to take another date.
Excuse me, my lord.
As the court pleases, my lord.
My lord, my lord, we have also been served with the hearing notice.
Excuse me, my lord.
Our case is not the court.
Council.
We will start with the hearing notice against
In view of the fact that we are proceeding on vacation, we have to reschedule our cases. We have to reschedule our cases, tidy up things. I think that was why they should have with another hearing notice adjourning the case. This one that we have done now, just done, are the only cases meant for today.
Excuse me.
Yes.
My lord, we needs to this date.
Council, bear with us. We will issue
My lord, I don't know if you can hear me.
I can hear you.
Yes, my lord. We also served the hearing notice against today's date. In respect of suit number NICN YL09-2020 between Honorable Justice Michael Angugoji and Adamawa State Judicial Service Commission.
What is it for? Is it for mention or for trial?
My report of service, my lord.
It's for further mention, my lord.
Where is the post list? Okay. Council.
Yes, ma'am.
Council, please bear with us. I think the course list for today ended with number 7
As
from
God please.
Bauchi. Some matters from Yola, and your cases are not in the court list.
As
Bear with us, we will issue another date.
the court pleases.
Yes.
My Lord,
That is all.
My Lord.
Court shall
My
rise.
Sorry, sir.
Yes? Yeah?
Yes, my Lord, Gibal is my name. I'm interested in the same matter with Watakwa.
You heard what I told her. You heard what I told her. We will issue another date. We are proceeding on vacation. There are issues which we must attend to before we proceed on vacation, and that necessitated the rescheduling of the cases. I directed the registry to inform all counsel. The fault is that of the registry.
With all respect, my Lord, my matter is for the hearing of preliminary objection.
Counsel, that is not included in the matters I listed for virtual sitting. That is not among the matters for virtual sitting. The business of today is to hear the matters virtually, and I have done it. Your matter is not for virtual sitting, so you should not expect me to take you virtually. New date will be announced. Registrar.
My Lord.
The court shall rise.
Court.
We appreciate, my Lord.
Knock off.